County in southeastern South Carolina, Jasper County in southeastern South Carolina, until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:43 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Thailand. This storm was stationary. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Estill, Ferman, Scotia, Highland, Robertsville, Scarborough, Garnet, Grays, Gillisonville, and Lena. This includes Interstate 95 in South Carolina between mile markers 28 and 31. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing damaging winds.